Hi. In this video, I will show you the 7 useful home appliances for you. These products are really worth. Let's go to the video. Number 1. Wall clock. Solimo 12-inch plastic and glass analog wall clock. Classic roulette silent movement, black frame. Suitable for office, living room, dining hall, and many occasions. It's unique, high-quality plastic frame. Glass front panel. It looks very beautiful and attractive. You can prefer this clock for your house. Glides noiselessly. And bold numerals. Number 2. Vacuum cleaner. Agaro Regal 800 watts. Handheld vacuum cleaner with bagless technology. For home use, dry vacuuming, and durable abs body. Lightweight, small-size black vacuum cleaner. 6.5 kilopascal suction power. With 1-year warranty. Equipped with multi-purpose brush for cleaning sofa, bed, mattress, cushions, etc. Long power cord for uninterrupted cleaning. Number 3. Wall repair paste. Wall repair paste tube for filling cracks and holes. Easy wall repair kit. Crack filler paste. It is a wall mending agent. Quick repair for walls. This is waterproof. Let's see how it works. Just place the paste on the wall holes and polish the place well. It will turn normal. See the difference in the end. In crack, again, same method. Place the paste on the wall crack. Polish well. It will turn normal. Number 4. Twin bucket mop. Gala twin bucket spin mop. 2 microfiber refill. Floor cleaning mop stick with bucket. This is not a normal mop. You can split water and dirty water. Mopping set with 2 buckets. You can lock the length of the mop. You can easy to assemble. At the bottom, there is microfiber. Let's see how it works. First, dip the mop into the water. After wringing the mop well, adjust the size and lock the stick. And then clean the floor. Number 5. Smart doorbell. Suitable for various environments. 36 music chimes. 1,000 feet long range, LED light, info board design, IP44 waterproof. Let's see how to fix. Just place the bell on the wall and click the button. The sound will produce in your sound box. It was easy to fix. Just try it. Number 6. Bed cover. It is breathable and hypoallergenic. Premium cotton mattress protector. You can choose different colors. Fit up to 10 inches mattress. Measure the inner edges of the bed. Doesn't develop creases when placed on the mattress. It is elasticated and ultra soft, 100% waterproof, so no fear of leakage. Number 7. Storage basket. You can store anything on the basket. Choose the place whatever you want, like cupboard, shelf, or anything. There are 4 pack of baskets. You can easily assemble your dress on it. Solve the storage issues. Handheld design, and easy to access. You can buy this product, link in description. If this video useful, give like, comment what gadget you want to see in next video, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.